This is our song, Adopt a Cop, by Miss Levine's 4th grade class.
Who keeps our Freeport community safe? Who patrols our town with a smile on their face? Who protects us all from dangers every day? And who makes all the criminals pay? The police! Adopt a cop, Officer Trippy. Adopt a cop, Officer Tyler. Adopt a cop, Officer Reno. ADOPTACOP. Who comes to school to educate us all? Who in emergencies can we call? Who helps us to together citizens? And who says put your litter in the bin? The police! Adopt a cop, Officer Trippy. Adopt a cop, Officer Tyler. Adopt a cop, Officer Reno. ADOPTACOP. Who's eating Taco Bell like all of us? Who can't be bribed with Dunkin' Donuts? Who is courageous like the Lion King? Any summer, winter, in the fall or spring? The police! Adopt a cop, Officer Trippy. Adopt a cop, Officer Tyler. Adopt a cop, Officer Reno. Adopt a cop, they are so brave. Adopt a cop, they keep us safe. Adopt a cop, they are our friends. Adopt a cop. ADOPTACOP.